At Hawaiian Electric, we're proud to partner with property owners and managers across our service territory to support public charging.
Hawaiian Electric approached us in 2016 to install a fast charger at our Waianae Mall property as part of their 5-year pilot program. We jumped at the opportunity to be a part of that program as it provides a great amenity for our tenants and customers, but also the communities that we serve. The fast charger gives the public a quick and efficient option to charge their vehicles, and we're hoping that attracts them to shop at our centers.
Hawaiian Electric's public DC fast chargers allow electric vehicle drivers to charge their car in just 15 minutes. This 15-minute charge is enough to get drivers from Hawaii Kai to Kapolei, Upcountry Maui to the west side, or Kona to Waikoloa on Hawaii Island.
At Waianae Mall, the fast charger definitely alleviates range anxiety, encouraging customers who may have to travel longer distances to and from the west side. We are in the process of having another one installed at our Waipio Shopping Center property and look forward to exploring options at our other properties as well.
If you'd like a fast charger on your commercial property, Hawaiian Electric will install it at no cost. For more information, contact us at goev@hawaiianelectric.com.